why am I waiting till the wheels fall off of the car when I don't want to deal with all that drama? I have my realtor friends Sharina and Brandon here. Say hey.
Hey everybody.
Hey guys.
So here is the parking model. You feel cool?
I feel me.
So you are cool?
You interpret that any way you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below and notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Today is gonna be a fun day. I have two of my realtor friends coming over to the house. We're gonna do like a CNC day, calls and content. So I love that I'm making realtor friends in the area because you know, we can do fun things like that. It's nice to have people that I can wang with. What is wang? If you are newer to my channel, wang is work and hang. So it's like a little cute phrase I made up. Since moving here, it's taken me some time to like gain friends. So I'm happy that I'm finally like having a social group. Afterwards, I have to head over to a listing. I have the photographer. Hold on. Hey baby. Okay, so Tyler just called me to tell me that the electrician is 10 minutes away, so I gotta hurry up. But anyway, I have a listing coming up live in Castleberry. It is a beautiful home, so I'm so excited to show you guys what that looks like. And yeah, so today is gonna be a very busy day. Oh, I wanted to make sure and point out the products I'm using while I'm using them. I'm using All Nighters Face Primer. I am still getting to know, I love this primer because it feels so cool on my face. It makes my face feel like, just refreshed. Ooh. Next, let's do some eyebrows. I'm gonna do an order this time because last video I was so out of order. So I always like to do start with my eyes and then work on my face. The eyebrow pencil that I use is Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz, and my color is dark brown. No, you're kidding. That's funny. I'm out. Oh well, it's okay. Thank God my eyebrows are microbladed, so I really don't need to do the most. I can probably just maybe add some eyeshadow to it to make it a tiny bit darker, and then I'll just put on my to-do list for me to go by Sephora on the way back from the gym. I'm using the Morphe palette. I'm gonna go with some maybe some in the shade. That's a pretty dark brown. Okay, that works. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage, and my color is the Chai. And then for my everyday look, I just go with Done Buggy, which is this shade right here. And then I'm going to just do a little bit of the dark to dust on the edges, and then I just contour the eyebrow with Bare It All. If you watched the last video, then you would know that recently Tyler's car, his car just like literally just randomly died. Like in the middle of the road, died, okay? And I don't know if I went into depth in the last video actually now thinking about it, but y'all, it was traumatic, okay? I was in Fort Lauderdale closing a property, and I was not here when it happened. His transmission blew in the middle of the street, and where he was, it was dark. There was no sidewalks, people driving crazy. There was no street lights. So I literally was terrified because he had to walk. He walked home from there. Thank God he was like 3 miles away, but anyway, it was traumatic, okay? And Elsie was with him, and it was just a lot. When I was further thinking about it yesterday, I'm like, whenever I had always said, I'm gonna ride my car till the wheels fall off, I didn't factor in the fact that when the wheels do fall off, how traumatic that experience is, between dealing with AAA, dealing with having no car, then dealing with getting a rental, because insurance companies, they don't insure, I mean, they don't give you the rental car for mechanical issues. They only give you the rental car for like collisions. So then having to do this and that, I was like, why am I waiting till the wheels fall off of the car when I don't want to deal with all that drama? You know what I'm saying? So I was like, babe, I think that we need to switch out the Toyota before it dies, because that car is already at 200,000 miles. If we wait till the car dies, then it's going to cost more money to get a rental car and transport the vehicle. It just doesn't make sense with our time, with our resources. And if we wait till the car dies, then the car really isn't worth anything, and it'll cost more to like transport it than it would to just trade it in now while it has value to it and apply it to a different car. And he's not trying to get a super fancy car. He works just between the office and the job sites. He doesn't want a truck. So he just wants Toyota or Honda. And we're just gonna get something used. It can last at least like the next like 7 years or so. Because those cars typically are like, you go up to 200,000. So yeah, that's our plan. So we're just gonna trade the car in and just have a small budget for the car, so we wouldn't have to pull too much from our savings account. And then we'll be done with cars for a while. We won't have to worry about another car breaking down for a while, which is the number one thing. I don't want to go through that again. That was very stressful. I like cried. I was panicking, just being dramatic, because it was just, it was too much. It was too much. So anyway, so my eyes, I want to try out the new lashes, but today I don't have enough time now. So I'm just going to do the regular Ardell Wispies. These are so cute every time. I have my realtor friends Sharina and Brandon here. Say hey.
Hey everybody.
Hey guys.
Hey.
So we're doing like a CNC day. Oh. Tyler made me set an alarm for lunch to remind myself to eat. So yeah, ignore that. I'm eating some chips, so it counts. Sharina, do you want to tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hey everybody. I'm a realtor here in Central Florida. Me and my husband are both realtors. I'm excited to keep learning from this lady right here, because she is awesome.
A little bit, you know what I'm saying?
So humble.
I didn't get to finish doing my makeup because I was doing my makeup like a get ready with me. But then Brandon came and I only had like one lash on, but
one lash.
we're cool like that. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys real quick, because I said that when I got my Tesla, that it'd be nice to have a set for my camera, like a mount for my phone, so I can film in the car. So I wanted to open it on camera so you guys see what I got. So here is the car mount that I got. It's a magnetic car mount. Let's see if you can see it on the camera. Brandon, can you open this for me, please? I treat Brandon like, I make him do all the things that I make my husband do when he's not here.
Listen. Tyler, hurry up and get home, man.
Thank you. I'm telling you, I'm spoiled. I don't struggle at home, okay? All right, so it looks like this. All right. Okay, so this part, ooh, that's tight. And then this goes here. Okay, that's okay. There you go. So that way you can kind of film either way. So now when I'm in the car, I can film while I'm in the car.
Ah, okay.
I love it.
And it comes out.
Okay.
That's perfect.
I know, right?
YouTube coming out.
So we're fast forwarding and my friends just left. So I'm gonna go figure out how to put this on the car. Also, I wanna show you guys the charger. That guy finished so fast. So if you are looking to get an EV charger connector installed in your home and you're in Central Florida, make sure you comment down below and I'll give you guys his contact. But anyway, let me show you real quick. Oh. So this is the wall charger. It connects to our, what do you call it? Panel. And then they just did it over here and it's a long cord. Be plugged in from here. I no longer have to go to supercharge when I'm local. I can just charge overnight. Oh, now I can drive and film at the same time. I like this. So I have literally 15 minutes to get ready. Oh goodness. All right, so since it's just photography, I'm gonna wear my Realtor shirt with some jeans and call it a day. Let's do that. I got my Realtor shirt. This girl sells real estate. Got some jeans on. You ready to eat, girlie? You ready to eat? Daddy said feed you early. All right, don't trip over yourself now. Just made it to the listing. I am so excited to finally get this home on the market. It is gorgeous. This property is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 3,200 square feet. So it's a big house. Like I said, the photographer is on the way. I'm here about 15 minutes early just so I can make sure that the home is photo ready. I gotta tell them to move all their cars out the driveway. I'm gonna go through the house with my gimbal to get some video shots. And yeah, I'm excited. Every morning for the last 5 weeks, I've been waking up around 5:15 to, well, 5 o'clock to 5:15. Get on out and get my 30-minute walk in the morning on. So it's gonna be a good day. Good time for the rest of the day. I don't know the song, but I'm hyped.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it pleads the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo.
All right, so before we even get started, let's set the scene for our morning get ready. I always like to light a candle. If you know me, I'm upset. So candles. So this one is Rainwater Lily. I got this from Target. I'm telling you guys, that place, they just take all my money. Oh, it smells so good.
All of those years that passed us by, all of those tears both had cried. I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried. Even if I love you, this fight is yours no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing the door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go. I'm waving my white flag. 'Cause soon we'll be gone. Oh, spirit sing, choose wisely, dear. You still got time. Yeah, we're the lucky ones.
It is already almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:56 right now, so I have to get into like my work mode. So I need to hyperdrive because I'm a little bit behind, because I want to get some cleaning done. So I'm gonna go hop into work mode real quick. I don't want to bore you guys with that video of me just like working in the office. So I'm gonna get some work done and then I'll be right back. Already. Here is the Hartford model. It is 1936 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I'm going to come out so that way you can see the full home. So where you see the sales center, that's where the garage is. So this is what it'll look like. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm taking a video.
Go for it.
Okay. So the laundry room and the garage is going to be where the sales center is. Then it has the slab. It's a king size bed. So that model, it was nice inside, but I don't know if the flow is gonna work for my client, but we'll see. I'm gonna send her the video. I'm at Geneva Landings. The builder who is in here is Highland Homes, and she wants to see the Parker, the Rachel, and the Serendipity. So let's see how these ones look. Wait, who's texting me?
My hubby says, yeah, that's why the Tesla should never come near my office or job sites, laughing out loud.
That's funny. Tyler already got a nail in the Toyota. So he was texting me that, see, this is why I said I don't want a nice car going to these job sites, because, yeah, those job sites will wreck your car. I swear, all the people that work here are super sweet. All right, let's see the Parker. So here is the Parker model. The garage is gonna be where the sales center is. So let's go check it out. That Parker was nice. I really liked how it had the, what do you call it? Why is this on? Oops. Oh, snap. Oops. Pressing buttons. So I really liked how the Parker had the tub and the shower combo in the master. And I thought it was a great size. I think that she would really enjoy that one a lot. And the price for that in the Geneva Landis community is like right on point. I liked it a lot better than the Lennar, because the Lennar only had the slab and just the flow wasn't giving, you know. And then I'll see you guys after. My client turned a bestie. She is throwing a surprise birthday party for her mom, so I'm excited. Tyler's driving the Tessie. Yo, this is literally like my dream, you know? Having a Tesla and having a husband to drive me around in the Tesla. Like,
She's got it made.
I have it made. I'm a princess. So I have the gift. She said her mom wanted the white diamond.
Oh, we're not turning here, right?
It is here because you're going across the street to go to. Anyway, she said her mom wanted the Elizabeth Taylor white diamonds. So I got her that, but I didn't get a gift bag, so I used one of my old gift bags, and it's big, but should be alright. What I got for the car? Hold on, me. Bends out so like I can film myself while I'm driving. Isn't that cool?
So cool.
Ooh.
Voila.
We can drive and film at the same time. And then I also flip it.
Voila la la la.
So I can film while I drive. Do you feel cool?
I feel me.
So you are cool?
You interpret that any way you want.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy It is the next day. As you can see, I'm in my nighty-night tie. We're finishing up packing for Ohio. Getting the last touches done. I had a really, really busy day today. And literally it was going all day. And now it's like almost 11 o'clock. I wanted to close out this video because I'm posting this video Thursday. And then I'm going to be filming us going to Ohio in a whole separate video. So I'm excited, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video when we go to Ohio to go see Tyler's mom and dad and grandma and aunties and uncles. Everybody, we're gonna go see everybody. Love you guys, bye. Extra kisses.